Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Got a great one for us here today. Notice here I've got the 7, 8, 9 on the table, and I've marked their locations. This is key. This exercise was given to me by Tony Robles, a pool pro out of Miami, and he asked me to share this with you. Tony uses this with his students. Now see here I've got the 7, 8, 9 layout. Notice here that I'm moving the 8 to where the 7 was. So I've rearranged the balls based on the spots that I've already put on the table. Now I've moved the 9 ball to where the 8 ball was, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot this layout in that order. So it's a rotation type exercise, and we have several combinations where we can shift the balls around based on those locations that we've marked on the table. It's an awesome exercise. I really like it a lot. I think it's going to help a lot of players. Here I've started out with a 7 ball, of course, and I'm trying to get on the right side of the line for this 8, and I have done so. I want to try to create the angles that I need to naturally flow to the next ball. That's what makes this exercise so powerful. It's going to be very helpful, and it's a lot of fun. Now I've even added a little twist to it here. Rather than just switching the balls around, you're going to see something that I've chose to do. And that is to leave the balls in the same spot, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot them at different angles. So in this case, instead of going in that top corner by where I'm standing, I've elected to go to the side pocket and flow into the shot line for the 8. Once again, I need to stay on the correct side of the line so I can flow directly towards the 9 ball. Which I have done so nicely. Just a great exercise, you guys. When I was told this, I said, hey, this is a good one, Tony. I appreciate it. And he had no problems with me sharing this. Tony's such a great ambassador to the sport. He wants everyone to be good at this game so that we promote the sport and get more involved. So here, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to now lay this out in a different pattern where I've now moved the 7 to where the 8 is. So see how we can do this? And this is going to give us endless possibilities of running out. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm not going to just shoot this one pattern. I'm going to actually shoot at different angles, and you'll see that coming up. So that's the 7 ball went in the side pocket. I've got a nice angle, once again on the right side of the line, so I can flow naturally towards this 9. Now I did get a little close to that side pocket, but I was okay. So this is something we can really work on to get more pinpoint precision on our accuracy for pattern play. So now, still have the 7 in the same place, but now I'm going to go off that side rail and kind of spin the cue ball towards the 8 ball, but once again, staying on this correct side of the line of the 8. We want to make sure that we're always flowing towards our next ball if we can. I just drew that one down there nice. Avoided the side pocket. A real good stroke there. Just had to focus, and I'm straight in on this 9. Once again, 7 ball in the same location, coming off 2 rails, flowing back to the 8 to make sure I'm on the correct side of the line. Notice the pattern here in what I'm saying? Staying on the correct side of the line. That makes our job so much easier to run out. You know, a lot of us just hit the balls and then we get on the wrong side of the line. We got to fight and force things, and why do that? Why not make sure that we can get on the right side of the line so we can easily run out? There I'm going up in that top corner. Got a little close to my 8 right here. I used inside spin to kind of drift towards the 8, but I'm okay. I have just enough room to draw it just to the side rail, and I'll have a nice look at the 9. Now I've decided to swap the 7 ball with the 9 ball. So it's an entirely different pattern. And you're going to see me here play position so that I can go 2 rails to come back towards the 9. Thinking ahead 3 balls is essential to a good run out, and staying on the correct side of the line is what it's all about. Now here I've drifted just a little bit too far, but it's okay. I practice spot shots all the time, so it's a hanger. Now here I've swapped out the 9 with the 8. So you see what's happening here? We have several combinations of patterns that we can work on. And we can even challenge ourselves with more difficult position play if we want. Of course, if you're in a tournament or let's say league play, you're going to want to take the easiest route. And this is just a great exercise where it'll teach you that. It basically shows you the importance of flowing into the shot line as well as staying on the correct side of the shot line. Notice there that I went with inside running spin to flow into the shot line for the 9. When we flow into the shot line, it gives us a larger margin of error speed-wise. I couldn't wait to get this video put together for everyone. I know this is going to be helpful to many of you players watching my channel. If you guys have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.